Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials. Pick a platform like Roll20 or Foundry so tools are ready. Create or download the 5E basic rules and one character sheet so everyone has structure. Schedule a session time and invite players. Make sure each person has a mic or headset and a stable internet connection of roughly 5 Mbps up. Once done, set up a shared chat or group message for quick coordination, and test audio briefly so the session can begin without delay. Now you build the session. Create a game lobby and import maps, tokens, and any ambience music to set tone. You should populate character sheets, configure macros for common roles, and turn on an initiative tracker so combat flows. If your platform supports dynamic lighting, enable it and mark walls. This removes confusion during play. Once configured, run a short 10-minute rehearsal. Check audio, video, dice rolling mechanics, and player permissions so everyone knows how to act when the session starts. Begin the game with a 5-minute recap and a clear immediate objective so you gain momentum fast. Keep turns short, spotlight the active player, and log XP and loot in chat for transparency. Make sure to check pacing and adjust on the fly. For closing, summarize outcomes and next steps, then schedule the follow-up. If technical problems arise, try reloading the page or switching to voice only, and if that fails, ask the host to restart their computer. These quick fixes resolve most interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.